Hi. When you first start out your business, you have very little data, probably no employees. So you start using Excel to store your orders or inventory. But as time goes by, your Excel spreadsheets grow bigger and bigger, and you start hiring more people, and you need better reports, and you realize Excel is not cutting it anymore. Well, I'm here to tell you there's an alternative for Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is the most popular database in the world, and a lot of you have it already installed on your computer. And so you can export that Excel spreadsheet data into Access and create a database, which has better reports and better analysis, and you can share that with your employees. But sometimes you need help, and that's where I come in. My team can help you migrate your Access database to the cloud so that you can share it with the remote employees, and also get you much better reporting and even dashboards. So when you're ready to turbocharge your Microsoft Access database, please go to accessexperts.com and ask for me, Juan. We can help you discover the power of your data.